Nothing, just scrolling down some news.
You read about Ginting?
Yeah, he passed by my page. He told that he won Singapore Open.
Well, he is a talent and great athlete in badminton. No wonder.
You are right.
What do you think about Ginting?
He is a great athlete. At a young age, he achieved many achievements in badminton championship. What about you? What do you think about him?
I have same opinion with you about his achievement. Moreover, I think he is a freestyle player with strong net game and powerful smash.
And his personality is worthy of praise.
Yeah, I have ever read that he is humbler person with strong determination.
Great achievement, good personality, a freestyle player. He is a really role model for young badminton players.
First sight, I can agree more.
Bye.
Thank you.